Welcome to Astro Venture, the DSLR astrophotography channel. Hey there, Astro Ventures, welcome back. If you're new to this astrophotography channel, my name is George, and this is the astrophotography channel for DSLR or mirrorless camera bodies, combined with the lenses you already own and a simple star tracker like the SkyGuider Pro or the Star Adventurer. Now, today I wanted to point out a brand new piece of jewelry that I'm wearing here, and this is my CooWoo Lens Warmer. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because here we are in mid-September, and I happen to be located in the Rocky Mountains, and it won't be long before October is upon us, and in the month of October, we will start to see dew and some frosting occur, and I'm bringing this to your attention now so that you can get one ordered, because there is always a rush on lens warmers once that first frost starts to hit, and then they tend to become back ordered. So this particular one, this is from CooWoo. It comes with a cloth covered cable. It is about 5 feet in length, and this simply wraps around the lens, and then it velcros on. And then we would extend this out, and we would plug in this standard USB into either a battery power pack, or what I like to do is I actually plug this into the 12-volt outlet on my vehicle using one of these standard adapters. The CooWoo requires a 5-volt and 2-amp output, so a standard 2.1 amp will work beautifully for this. And because, as I said, I like to plug into the outlet within my vehicle, this 5-foot cord generally doesn't do the job. So I also purchased a 5-foot extension cable that I can plug the CooWoo into, and then using this extension, I can plug it into the 2.1 amp output on this 12-volt outlet adapter, plug that into the vehicle, and I'm good to go. The CooWoo is not going to pull enough power off of your vehicle's battery through the night to affect it in any way, and it will keep the lens warm enough so that you don't accumulate dew on the lens or ultimately frost. So included below in the information will be the link to the latest model of CooWoo. They have changed it a little bit, but it's a great product. I highly recommend it, and I want you to check one out and get it before the big rush and they become back ordered. Until next time, I wish you clear skies and uneventful nights. And that jet noise was brought to you by Allegiant Airlines or the Star Adventurer. Now, more Allegiant airline noise brought to you by Allegiant. And then I am able to plug in directly to the 12-volt outlet, and that would be some jet noise brought to you by Hill Air Force Base, the F-35 Lightning II.